ப்ரே பண்ணுறாங்க.
Natural cooler.
Oh, cooler.
At that time no electric,
Oh, okay,
no
okay.
fan, no cooler. So
Okay.
this working as a natural cooler.
இது நேச்சுரல் கூலரா? அதனால ஏசிலாம் இல்லைல்ல?
Then outside cool air is come very fast.
நேச்சுரல் கூலரா ஏமா இது? அந்த காலத்துல ஏசி கிடையாதுல்ல, வெளியில இருந்து ஏர் வந்து இப்படி வருமா, கூலிங்கா வருமா? ஓ.
And this is the surang.
ஓ. इधर
किधर है कोई वेयर इज गवर्नमेंट ने इसको लोक का जाए
ओके.
This is a secret tunnel. This tunnel underground to collect to Agra.
आगरा? ओ.
Agra fort.
ओके ओके.
By car, by taxi, you going there 40 kilometer.
Oh.
And this tunnel is a shortcut. Is about 20 kilometers something with a shortcut. We collect to Agra fort. Now is not working. Now is closed. This surang is the famous for Salim Anarkali love story. Because Salim the name of Akbar's son, and he liked and he loved for the dancer ladies Anarkali. So his father is angry, but he is not like to marry for the servant ladies. That's why he put here Anarkali by under of the wall to kill the people.
சலீம் வந்து அனார்கலிங்கெல்லாம் டான்ஸ் ஆடுற பொண்ணுங்கெல்லாம் பிடிக்குமா, அவங்க அப்பாவுக்கு வந்து அது பிடிக்காதான். ஸோ அந்த பொண்ணுங்கள்லாம் இதில் போட்டுருவாங்க, கொண்டுருவாங்க.
போனா பத்தியா நம்ம எதிரில்
You remember I told you this area for the cemetery, the graveyard, outside for the men, here all used for female. And 5 feet down and put the real dead body over the stone frame. We are not allowed to walk top of the feet from the top of this samadhi.
அப்படினா உள்ள இருக்காங்களா, உள்ள 5 அடி தள்ளி பள்ளத்துல அவங்க மேல காலை வைக்க கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லி இது மேல
வந்து நடக்க கூடாது,
அதனால இது மாதிரி பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க.
And people going to Dargah, here is the shop of the people, the selling of the clothes, thread, flower. People buying from here to going to Dargah for pratna, for the charity.
Okay.
And these people always like corporate.
கோகனட் கிடையாது,
இல்ல என்ன எடுத்து போறோம்னு கேக்குறேன்.
அப்படி கிடையாது.
என்ன வாயில் போறோம்?
Here no. Here only this from the clothes, flower like this.
இதெல்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு உள்ள போட்டு தான் கொடுக்கணும். அங்க வந்து
You are already see, or you like to offer it, you buying here.
no, my father is asking, will they give anything? Will they give anything?
Like memory.
Just you want this and you buy and keep it in your home.
உனக்கு வேணா இதை வேணா வாங்கி.
Otherwise you not put in Dargah. You buy this and put in your bag and put in your home. Just memory. And it's the different size and different price. People spend 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000. I already see that like it is. People have a job to ask you. Walk in. Now I'm asking you how you like so far here.
Nice.
You like this place?
Yes.
Now we go one more place. I hope you like Sikri Fort. They are making one the Bollywood movie Pardesh, Shahrukh Khan. One Tamil film, Irubar movie for Mohanlal and Aishwarya. Hrithik Roshan, Jodha Akbar. Next we going there. Okay. 1 week. And after 1 week, no one allowed here. Because these Christian and Hindu. Hindus are lucky because he given one son. The king make for the large house, big house, and Christian lady medium house, Muslim lady small house. So
Three houses there.
for different size, small, medium, and big. So big one we go first. Jodhabai. Jodhabai lady from Amer Fort, Jaipur.
தர மாட்டியா? இவ்வளவு
Local stone.
Steps.
Sandstone. Name of the stone, the red sandstone. This is coming from Kota. Kota is Rajasthan. Yeah. So first three king Babur, Humayun, Akbar. He like this red sandstone. And after Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. He like white marble. Like Taj Mahal, Shahjahan. Inside Agra Fort marble, Jahangir. Baby Taj, Aurangzeb. Marble. White marble. Yeah. Jahangir, Shahjahan. Akbar have 9 ministers. No Ratan. Birbal. You know the minister name Birbal, Mansin, Tansen, Totarmal, Fazi. So they are Totarmal office. Finance minister. He take the tax for the public. So that's for the record office. Finance minister. This is a Hindu queen entrance gate. Jodhabai.
ஜோடாபாய் பேலஸ் இதுதான். ஜோடாபாய் பேலஸ் மது பண்ணிட்டோட வீடான.
See, the Jodhabai palace. Oh, Lord, this is
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வைஃப்.
second wife.
Second wife.
First wife is Muslim.
Oh, first one.
So Jodhabai is a Hindu. So king make for a temple. So there is a temple because she is worship for the Hindu god Lord Krishna.
Krishna. Acha.
And now is no more idol. For idol took the people.
Oh,
And center they are used to plant of tulsi,
Tulasi.
the holy plant.
Yeah.
So Hindu
No.
queen, she give the water of the plant for worship.
Oh,
So now is not Jodhabai, no tulsi plant. And this one is a bedroom for the summer season, summer house.
Samara.
one.
And that one is a winter house. Both the same in different direction. Some are in the north direction, winter in the south. Because sunrise, sun always come behind the natural heat for the sun for winter.
Oh,
And the summer house, outside that they are used to lake of water, artificial lake for the cool air, cool wind is come, natural air condition.
okay.
That
Can we
one is
go?
the second floor is not allowed, their step is closed because people go up and people scratch, put the family name, eating food, sleep. That one not allowed to go the second floor. I will show you the center for the different buildings.
நேச்சுரலா கூலிங்லாம் வச்சிருக்கோம்.
Come. And that window, there you see the jali in the gate. You know jali?
Yes, we know
For
that.
ventilation.
Yes.
So they are used the summer ventilation for the window. And the winter palace there are no jali, ventilation closed by the wall because the sun always come in behind for the natural heat. That's the difference. One side the natural cool air is come. One side the winter they are all
அதை
closed.
பாரு ஜாலி தெரியுதா, ஓட்ட ஓட்டையா இருக்குல்ல
ம்
மேல, அது மூலியமா தான் காத்து வருமா.
இதில் போய் பார்ப்போம்
மேல போக கூடாதா?
Go and just see there at the back. This for the temple. They are used to idol in the center. Oh, Krishna Bhagwan. And the pillar is the Hindu symbol. You look this, chain, bell, or a temple. Every temple chain and bell, people touch the bell. So this is the chain and bell. You see. Then people offering sunflower, lotus. Then tulsi tree, and then kalas. Kalas is a
Kalas,
water pot.
yes, yes,
So
we
these all Hindu symbol.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
They are all used to.
அதான் பெல் அது இருக்கு
And
பாரு.
there, that one they used to lamp. They put the lamp, oil
Oh,
lamp,
okay.
oil lamp for the light. And that room was a store room
ஓ
for puja.
ஓ
Bhagwan Lord Krishna used to in the center.
ஓகே.
Those are my channels.
நல்லா ஒரு